What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss the videos when I upload them. Today we're going to take a look at the very distressing and sad news of the passing of NKlyne's mother, and in the brutal way that she was taken out. News emerged on Friday night that she was kidnapped, and then a search went on, and then Saturday morning news emerged that her body was found and she was dead. And that is what I come to you all about now. The news in the Observer was that, and I read from the Observer what they say. A woman was killed and her common law husband injured following an attempted robbery in Blenheim District, Newport, Manchester last night. The dead woman has been identified as 54-year-old Lorna Lake, a farmer from the district. Initial reports indicated that Lake might have been sexually assaulted, but this has not been confirmed by the police. Police told the Observer that the couple was at home when a man entered their one-bedroom dwelling and demanded money. When told that there was none, the man tied up the couple and took them outside to nearby bushes. Me I go read that part there again. Police told the Observer that the couple was at home. Couple, two of them were at home, when one man entered their one-bedroom dwelling, so say it's like an enclosed place, right? So it's not so big, and demanded money. When told there was none, the man tied up the couple and took them outside to nearby bushes.
Something all right? Something all right there?
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
No, man.
No, me can't get past that. One man come in a one little one room. First and foremost, me no know if the man know them, but you imagine a couple living in a one bedroom. Where they get money? Where they get money from? Why would a thief left all the way if it come to a couple in a one bedroom for rob them for money? I imagine him pass hundreds of other houses, so why come to this one? Me can't get past that. But that is not even the part where me cannot get past, is how one man tie up a couple. It no say had no weapon, The man was reportedly hit fiercely several times all over his body and fell to the ground and pretended to be dead, the police said. Upon seeing this, the robber took the woman to another area in the bushes. Me can't get past that part. The man then got up and ran back to the house and called the police, who arrived on the scene shortly after 9 p.m. and residents conducted a search for Lake, whose motionless body was found in the bushes. She was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. People, make we reason out this thing. It nah add up. As they say, if 1 + 1 = 2, what is? This nah add up. Me no know what happen and me no know what to say, but comment below and talk to me, because me I try to figure out how one person if you come in at the room and tie you, because he can't tie up it two of them one time. So you must tie up one first and then tie up, unless them did asleep.
Type of shit is this?
But the news now said they were awakened by a man. So me assume said then he asleep. How we tie up it two of them one time that nobody no retaliate? Me no know, it a puzzle me. God knows say it a puzzle me. This one a baffle me.
Something alright here.
See, like the death of the cult pastor down a Montego Bay. But I will talk about that at another time. But for this one, peeps, make we talk about it in the comment section now. Because it not sit down good with me. It not sound right. God no. Anyway, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.